Hi, friends. I just want to let you know what the plans are for this week. Basically, it's going to be pretty heavy with reading focus. You should have read chapter 1 last week and answered the questions for chapter 1 in your study guide. So for Monday, please read chapter 2. And you can also listen to it right here if you want. Remember that you can just simply read it yourself. You can listen to the screencasts of me reading, or you can go on YouTube and find other people reading to you if you'd rather do that. For Tuesday, please continue working on your study guide. Answer the questions in your study guide that go with chapter 2. In the Google Meets this week, you can ask any questions that you need to about the study guide or anything else you're trying to get filled out in that study guide or anything you're reading. Wednesday, you're going to read the first half of chapter 3. Chapter 3 is pretty long, so I have it extended over 2 days. On Thursday, you'll read the second half of chapter 3. And then I want you to continue to make sure that you're filling out that study guide. Your study guide will be turned in right before you take the test. So make sure that you have that study guide done because it is worth points. On Friday, you're going to take a quiz on Of Mice and Men. So it's going to be a quiz on chapters 1 through 3. So you need to make sure that you've read chapters 1 through 3 by Friday so that you're ready to take this quiz. Just so you know, the final test on Of Mice and Men will be right before we go into Christmas break. So make sure that you're keeping up with the reading. Try not to procrastinate. The book is actually really good and it's really short, so it's going to go really quickly. There's only 6 chapters. So keep up with it so that you can do well on the quiz and so that you can get your study guide done and you can do well on the test before we go into Christmas break. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you need anything and have a great week.